Alright, hey YouTube, my name's Kenny, and today we're replacing this tailgate cable. As you can see on this truck, this has a string, which is not very useful. Got a cable on this side. So this is an 06 Toyota Tundra. Here's the part number for this 06. This one's like 15 and 7/8 inches or something like that. And what you're going to need is T40 Torx, a wrench, or an impact. If your thing is rusty, you live in the States, maybe a little penetrating oil. Probably don't. And voila, that's about it. So we're going to see if we can get this done. T40. RIP string. Your new cable. This thing was like $15-20 at my local dealership. Super cheap. Good time to clean up some rust. Loop. Put the bolt through here. Slide it to snap it. Good to go. You might need a friend for this, unless you're strong. So I'm gonna hold this here, or be like me and use your hip. Support it. Tighten. Good to go, man. Easy peasy. Thumbs up, right? Dumb. Yeah, it's super easy. Maybe you never thought to do it yourself. Torx things are really cheap and easy. Obviously they use them all over on this thing. If you need to replace latches, other bits and pieces on this trucks, pick them up really cheap. You'll use them all the time. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it helped you. See ya.